This is Dr. Sinagra. Today is March 9th, 2015. I'm with my patient Eric Flynn. Eric, first thing I do in these testimonials is I ask everybody, have you been compensated in any way for this testimonial?
No.
Okay. It's really casual. Really our approach with all testimonials is we want people to review our website and say, oh, that guy reminds me of me. And because there's nothing better than when you're suffering from a condition to hear someone else that got well from it. Because sometimes we forget we can get well. Sometimes we get lost in the healthcare system. Tell me about what was going on with your health for the last few years.
Well, it started in 2013. I had got a bout with vertigo, which I thought was vertigo. Had been sick for quite a few months, and something just went wrong in the body. Couldn't get it right. Multiple doctors. Actually, they spoke to you. We counted them before I came here. Over 30 doctors we took.
30 medical doctors?
Yes.
And what was their treatment and diagnosis?
They had no diagnosis. There was no diagnosis. They had no idea what it was. From the Columbia, Stony Brook, to the infectious disease, to dermatologists, to everywhere.
You did your fair share of keeping the healthcare profession going, huh? How did you hear about us?
I actually was with a friend, and they had said that a massage therapist, and she said I should try Wellness Center. And I went online and I Googled it, and it just so happened I came up with Wellness Center. Very
good. Now, when you first got here, the one thing that we always stress is we don't treat your disease, we treat you.
Right.
And we have a program that checks you out metabolically and structurally. Chiropractic for the structure, metabolic care for rebuilding the system, such as thyroid, gut function, immune function. You signed up for a 3-month program, and I know you're not where you want to be yet, and that's why I wanted you to come in today, because I want patients and prospective patients to see it takes work, but you can get there. So you're halfway through your 3-month program. Tell me how you're doing.
I'm doing a lot better.
Yeah.
I think I'm doing about 50% better.
Isn't that great?
That's excellent. And I'm going to get there.
Yes,
it's
no
going to be a
doubt.
while. It's, my diet's changed a lot.
Now, did you like our approach? Because the one thing is that we feel that healthcare lacks is that when dealing with a patient, they compartmentize. If you got a thyroid problem, you go to the endo. You got a tummy problem, you go to the gastro. But no one looks at every system together, and the diet included in that, and the structure of the spine included as well. So when we looked at your diet and we looked at your thyroid function and your liver function and your adrenal function and checked you structurally, did you find that to be different than anything you've done before?
A way different approach from the rheumatologist, I'll tell you that, because I was back and forth every month to a rheumatologist, and it was definitely different, and it worked. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
Well,
let me ask you. It's a 3-month program. You're halfway through. You want to come back at the end of us and give us a follow up when you're doing better?
I hope so.
Thanks for coming by, Eric. We appreciate it.